I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smooth raspberry sauce that you can use for any garnish, any dessert that you're making. It's beautiful and it's quick and easy. I have 4 ingredients here. I'm just going to work right through it very quickly with you. You need to make a cornstarch slurry. That is 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. That is 5 grams, and then 1 tablespoon of water, which is 15 milliliters. Just pour that in. Stir it with a little spoon or fork. Once you get it combined, pour that into a medium saucepan. That's what will thicken our mixture. Next, 3 cups of fresh or frozen raspberries. That's 375 grams. I want these to spill. I have fresh and frozen in here. Makes no difference. Add 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. That's 72 grams. And 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Turn your heat on to medium. And now you just want to monitor this. The berries will start to cook down. As they do, just stir them. You can mash them a little bit. I'm using a silicone spatula so that I have a little flexibility. So I'll kind of smash the berries down. We're basically just cooking them down. We'll just monitor this till it starts to simmer. The mixture is beginning to simmer. Let it simmer for 3 minutes and stir it occasionally. The mixture is nice and bubbly and it's thickened. Now it's time to pull it off of the heat. I'm going to move this over. Now, I'm assuming you don't want the seeds in this. If you do, you can skip this step. I remove the seeds, so pour this into a fine mesh sieve, into a heat-proof bowl. This is super hot. Just pour it all in, and then I'll pick the strainer up. You just want to use your same spatula. This takes 2 or 3 minutes. You are just moving it around so that the sauce comes through the bottom and the seeds obviously will stay in the basket here. So we have a beautiful bowl of raspberry sauce. It is smooth, shiny, delicious. You can use this warm as a drizzle, and it's lovely. That would be so nice on so many desserts. And I'll just show you, I made this yesterday. So it does thicken as it cools. So this is what it looks like after 24 hours. Just so you can see. One of the ways I have used this raspberry sauce is in my mini chocolate cheesecakes. I used it as a garnish on the plate. It gave a beautiful visual, and I put it on the cheesecake. It added just this bright freshness to a very chocolate-forward dessert. I also have a playlist filled with toppings and fillings, so you should check that out at some point. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.